Welcome to QuickHub. In this video, we'll show you how to create and add a business label directly from the Manage Business section. A simple way to organize your businesses more efficiently. Start by opening QuickHub and click on your profile icon at the top right corner. From the drop-down, select Manage Business to access your list of businesses. Next, click on the Edit button beside the business you want to update. Inside the Edit view, click on Create Business Label. Now enter your label name. Select the checkboxes next to the businesses you want to include under this label. Once done, click on the Save button to create and assign the label. After saving, you'll see the new label added to your selected businesses. To verify, go back to your profile, click on Manage Business, and select Edit again for the same business. You'll now see the business label displayed and linked successfully. And that's it. You've successfully created and added a business label from the Manage Business section in QuickHub. Use labels to keep your businesses well organized and easy to manage. Stay tuned for more QuickHub tutorials to help you streamline your workflow.